So here's a chair. I found out my neighbors, they were giving it away for free. So I asked them, could I take it? And obviously it's really worn out and vintage, but I think it's still in pretty good quality. The seat, no rips or anything. So I think I'm going to leave that the same, but I am going to take off this part. I'm going to take these all off with either scissors or wire cutters, however hard it is. But yeah, first I have to sand this and then repaint. So I'll come back. This is the end result. I thought it would look really cute for my photo shoot that I had today. We have to reschedule it, but I thought it would be really cute for a garden photo shoot, especially with the green. And then the silver, I wanted white at first, but the silver would be great to kind of bounce off the greenery and the roses and things like that. I think it would be perfect. So yeah, thank you for watching.